This all looks like a lot of nature, but behind this tree there is a secret. And this is the secret. We are on the top of the nature bridge. Can you tell us something about the bridge?
Yes, well, this is very special, a bridge for nature, for animals. Holland is a very densely populated country. Many people live here, so we have many roads. And the roads, they divide the different parts of nature area. So the animals, they cannot move freely from one area to the other. The road is a barrier between the two different areas. And that's why they decided, our government decided, to build these bridges. The bridges are there for the animals to move from one area to another area.
We are just over the road, and this is the place where animals cross, and you can hear the traffic.